Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Electric Griddler. The electric ceramic titanium griddle offers a durable and efficient cooking surface for all your meal needs. Its ceramic titanium coating ensures even heat distribution and a non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleanup. The large, flat surface is perfect for pancakes, eggs, bacon, and more, ideal for family breakfasts or gatherings. Adjustable temperature controls allow precise cooking for various dishes. The removable drip tray collects excess grease, promoting healthier cooking. Stylish and easy to maintain, this griddle is a versatile addition to any kitchen. LCD display cutting board. The removable cutting board and tray with LCD display elevates your meal prep experience with smart functionality. The cutting board is durable and easy to clean, perfect for chopping and slicing. An integrated LCD display provides precise weight measurements, ideal for portioning and recipes. The removable tray collects scraps or transfers ingredients effortlessly, reducing mess. Compact and sleek, it's perfect for modern kitchens. Simplify cooking with this innovative and versatile kitchen tool. Easy Off Jar Opener. The Easy Off Jar Opener for seniors is a convenient and reliable tool designed to make opening jars effortless. Installed under cabinets, it saves space and stays hidden until needed, perfect for small kitchens. Its V-shaped design grips lids of all sizes, from small medicine bottles to large pickle jars. Made with durable materials, it offers long-lasting performance and withstands daily use. The strong grip eliminates the need for hand strength, making it ideal for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone with limited mobility. Easy to install with included adhesive and screws, it ensures a secure fit under cabinets or counters. The universal design works with plastic, metal, or any lid type. It's a time saver for busy cooks and a handy aid for independent living. Compact and out of sight, it maintains a clutter-free kitchen. Simplify your life with the Easy Off Jar Opener Dash Mini Waffle Maker. The Dash Mini Waffle Maker is a compact and versatile appliance perfect for quick and easy treats. Its 4-inch non-stick cooking surface creates perfectly sized waffles, hash browns, paninis, and more in minutes. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or on-the-go use. The dual non-stick surfaces ensure even cooking and effortless food release, making cleanup a breeze. With its simple plug-and-play design, it heats up quickly for hassle-free operation. The sleek and stylish design comes in various colors to match any kitchen decor. Its small size allows for easy storage in tight spaces. Cool touch handles and non-slip feet add safety during use. Great for breakfast or creative snacks, it's perfect for individuals or families. Enjoy convenience and fun with the Dash Mini Waffle Maker. AmuseWit Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. The AmuseWit Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set offers effortless seasoning with modern convenience. These grinders feature a unique gravity-activated design that starts grinding automatically when tilted. The adjustable ceramic grinder allows you to customize the coarseness for precise seasoning. With a sleek, ergonomic design, they're easy to handle and perfect for any kitchen or dining table. LED lights at the base illuminate your food as you season, ensuring accuracy even in dim lighting. The durable, rust-proof construction ensures long-lasting performance. Each grinder is powered by batteries, eliminating the need for manual effort. The large capacity compartments are easy to refill and suitable for various spices. Stylish and functional, they add a touch of elegance to your culinary experience. Upgrade your seasoning game with the AmuseWit Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Amazon Basics Silicone Non-Stick Food-Safe Baking Mat. The Amazon Basics Silicone Non-Stick Baking Mat Set is a must-have for any baking enthusiast. This pack of 4 mats is made from food-safe silicone, ensuring safe and reliable use with all your favorite recipes. The non-stick surface eliminates the need for cooking sprays or parchment paper, making baking healthier and more eco-friendly. Heat-resistant up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, these mats are perfect for cookies, pastries, roasted vegetables, and more. Designed to fit standard baking sheets, they simplify cleanup and prevent food from sticking. The durable silicone construction ensures even heat distribution for consistent results. Easy to clean, they're dishwasher safe and reusable for countless bakes. Lightweight and flexible, they store easily in small spaces. Ideal for both novice and experienced bakers, these mats offer convenience and versatility. Upgrade your baking essentials with the Amazon Basics Silicone Baking Mat Set. Drink maker. The drink maker and margarita machine is perfect for crafting refreshing beverages at home. With powerful blending capabilities, it creates smooth margaritas, slushies, and cocktails in minutes. The large pitcher ensures ample servings, ideal for parties or gatherings. Adjustable settings let you customize the texture and consistency of your drinks. Its sleek design and easy-to-clean components add convenience and style to any kitchen. Elevate your entertaining with this versatile and fun drink-making machine. Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan. The Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan set offers durability and versatility for everyday cooking. This two-piece set includes 8-inch and 10-inch pans, perfect for sautéing, frying, and more. Crafted from hard anodized aluminum, these pans are scratch-resistant and built to last. The non-stick interior ensures effortless food release and easy cleanup, while being safe for metal utensils. Tefal's signature thermospot technology indicates when the pan is preheated and ready to cook, ensuring perfect results every time. The riveted silicone handles provide a comfortable, secure grip and remain cool on the stovetop. Oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, these pans offer added cooking flexibility. Their lightweight yet sturdy design makes them easy to handle and maneuver. Compatible with all stovetops except induction, this set is ideal for any kitchen. Elevate your cooking experience with the Tefal Ultimate Nonstick Fry Pan Set. Deep Fryer Pot. The Deep Fryer Pot is a compact and efficient tool for frying your favorite foods at home. Made from durable stainless steel, it ensures even heat distribution for perfectly crispy results. The built-in thermometer helps maintain precise temperatures, ideal for frying chicken, tempura, or fries. Its lid reduces oil splatter, keeping your kitchen clean and safe. Designed with a pour spout, it allows for easy oil disposal and storage. Compact and versatile, it's perfect for small kitchens or occasional frying needs. Smart Dish Rack. The dish rack is a practical and space-saving solution for drying your dishes efficiently. Featuring a sturdy frame, it securely holds plates, bowls, cups, and utensils. The built-in utensil holder and drainage system keep your countertop clean and organized. Its rust-resistant materials ensure long-lasting durability and easy maintenance. Compact and stylish, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Simplify your dish drying process with this reliable and functional dish rack.